Welcome to the Exam Coach 11 Plus Exam Daily Vocab Show, where we build your 11 Plus exam vocabulary one word at a time. Today's word is sluggish. It is pronounced Sluggish, and it is spelt S-L-U-G-G-I-S-H. Think slug, but with two G's, and then ish. Sluggish means slow-moving or inactive, a bit like a slug. For example, you could say, after the sleepover, I felt very sluggish in the morning. The word sluggish comes from the Middle English word slugger, meaning lazy person. Today, if a person is sluggish, they could also be described as lazy. Now, this might have surprised you. I bet you thought the word sluggish came from the word slug, the slow, slimy creature you can find in your garden. Actually, that assumption is backwards, as the name slug actually came from the word sluggish. The first use of the word slug to describe this creature dates back to only 1701. Almost 100 years before this, there's evidence of the word slug being used to describe any animal, vehicle, or person who was slow-moving or not in a hurry. So slugs are, in fact, pretty sluggish. Sluggish is an adjective and therefore a describing word. For example, you could say, after a sluggish start, the runner knew he wouldn't win the race. Sluggish is defined in the dictionary as moving or operating more slowly than usual and with less energy or power. Sluggish's synonyms include inactive, quiet, slow, slow-moving, slack, flat, depressed, stagnant, and static. Antonyms include active, busy, brisk, alert, energetic, and lively. See if you can notice anyone acting sluggishly today, or perhaps see if you can spot a slug, and maybe you'll see some sluggish behavior there. Either way, impress your family by using your new word, sluggish. Have a top day ahead, and we'll be back tomorrow at the same time for another Exam Coach 11 Plus Exam Daily Vocab Show.